Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial only here at Tech Help Guy. So today I'm going to teach you how to order at Temu. So very quickly, just open up the browser, search Temu, go to the web page, and once you're here, make sure to log in your account and you can continue shopping. So let's say we want to buy this nice deco style wall clock right here for 191 pesos. It's currently on 58% off. So what we want to do is we want to click this, add to cart, select the type that you want. So we'll go with the black one. So it's added to our cart already. And then once that's added, you can automatically check out. So currently there is a minimum amount of purchase. So we need 89 more pesos for us to be able to check out our order. So Temu has a 280 peso order minimum, so we can continue offering more and lower priced items. Adding more items also helps prevent excess packaging waste. So let's say we want to add this nice rug right here, bat mat rather. So we'll just add that to cart and then we'll continue to check out. Once we click continue to check out, you will have this interface. So you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, and then your address. So with payment, payment is usually done via credit card or via Visa card. So make sure to enter your payment card as well. And then afterwards, automatically your order will be transferred and it will automatically be processed. And you'll just have to wait for your order to be delivered. And that's it. We hope this video was able to help you out in ordering your items on Temu. If this video helped you out, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one only here at Tech Help Guy.